Who the hell is she? Now I know some people might say that she is Wanda. Okay, I know you know her name, but who is she and how she has all these powers? Hello guys, if you are Marvel's fan, this video is for you. Please watch till the end, and if you like my video, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Enjoy yourselves.
You took everything from me.
I don't even know who you are.
You will.
Okay, we will see that in this video. So let's start from the beginning. First we saw her in a movie, Avengers Age of Ultron, released in 2015, where we had no idea who is she and who is her brother, but we can see the chemistry between Wanda and Vision. Definitely not that. Then here is another question. Who is Vision? We can see in the same movie, Avengers Age of Ultron, Vision is synthezoid made from vibranium, created by the Ultron with the help of Helen Cho, and given the life by the powerful artifact known as Mind Stone. Originally conceived as the perfect form for Ultron, the body was taken by the Avengers before Tony Stark and Bruce Banner proceeded to upload the remnants of Stark's personal AI Jarvis into it, and with the help of her as well. Upon his birth, Vision declared he was neither Ultron nor Jarvis, but the one that would fight with them to protect humanity, and he becomes the one of Avengers. His body made up of vibranium which cost $3 billion. But who's that girl? Wanda was native of the Eastern European country of Sokovia, who grew up with her older twin brother Petro. Following the death of their parents, thanks to Stark Industries bomb, the twin became radicalized and agreed to undergo the experiment with the Skeptar containing the milestone under the supervision of Hydra Cell, which unlocked her powers as a result, with Wanda attaining various abilities including telekinesis, telepathy, and energy manipulation. The twins allied with Ultrons to get their revenge on Tony Stark, but eventually switched sides and joined the Avengers when they discovered the Ultrons' true intentions. Although Petro was killed during the fight, but Wanda survived and became the member of Avengers. During the Avengers Civil War, she sided with Steve Rogers. Over the next few years, Wanda started romantic relationship with Vision. Now it's the time. But that doesn't last very long. However, they came under the threat from Thanos, the Black Order, who sought the Infinity Stone in Vision's head. After coming under the attack by Order, the two Avengers reunited with their teammates and sought refuge in Wakanda. During the battle, she managed to destroy the Mind Stone in an attempt to stop Thanos, who is going to kill Vision in the process. The Mad Titan completely overpowered Wanda and used the Time Stone to reverse Vision's destruction. Then he took the stone from Vision by destroying him in the process and completed his Infinity Gauntlet. Wanda disintegrated into ashes along with half of every civilization in the universe. 5 years later, Wanda was restored along with everyone else who lost in the decimation, and joined the Avengers in the Battle of Earth against the Thanos of 2040's army. Following Thanos' defeat, Wanda tried to locate Vision's body but realized he was truly gone. She went to Westview, New Jersey, where she and Vision had brought the deeds to the property. Her grief manifested in a huge source of power and created the Westview anomaly and construct of her lost love. Well, we will see that in my upcoming video, which is totally based on Marvel's recently released series WandaVision. This is it for this video. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.